So today's Tuesday, normally team meeting day, but two of the team out here, Brad and Sarah, are out today, so probably not going to bother, which is not a bad thing because I've got all these deliveries to put away. So let's get cracking.
One pallet, then is the collection.
Cool. Thanks so much.
Right.
Much better.
Oh man, you want it?
Yeah. No.
There you go. Thank you.
I'd say 1-0, but it's not quite.
It's more like what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56, 57, 5.
So today's split into two sections. We've got first half of the day, which is very exciting. We've got a new customer coming in. So we're going to be doing a tasting and running through all the products. And then the second half of the day is going to be content. So we are shooting Coffee Brothers in-house as well as Brad Does Coffee. Let's go. Sick. Hello.
Hi.
We okay?
We got it in the end.
So whilst Brad's busy in the sales meeting, me and Leanne are going to go through the content brief for today and then head out shopping for any bits that we might need this afternoon.
Donna, how are you feeling about all these new technologies coming into the office?
You must should know me by now.
It's so well, we don't have to recreate it.
Yeah.
Same thing, coffees from around the world.
What are you doing for tea tonight?
Right, we've got the goods ready for an afternoon of recording. Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah. Spring onion latte.
You look like a docile if these two are grafting on the laptop and...
I'm not grafting,
I've got a
honestly.
video to post on that.
Yeah.
But I need to do.
Korean kimchi.
Oh, it's like salt seawater.
This is Coffees Around the World. This one is China.
How'd the shoot go? So me and Brad decided to stay back and do a little bit of editing. I got a little bit carried away. Thursdays are delivery days for me. If you are one of our customers in the West Yorkshire region, across Thursday and Friday, we get out in the van, deliver the beans straight to you. So it's nice. They're very enjoyable days for me. First things first, we've got to pack the van. Right, we've got 15 drops today, so it'll be a full day on the van, which is exciting. I'm going to stick an audiobook on and enjoy it.
Today is Friday. Good day today. Got a busy delivery run. Charlie's on that. And I've got a new customer coming in this morning. So first half of the day for me is in there. Charlie's out for the full day. Second half, we'll just see what happens. Let's go.
I know nothing about that.
Job number one every morning, especially before we've got new customers coming in, is setting up the coffee to be as we intend. So every coffee has a recipe, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set up 2 to the recipe, so when the customer's in here we can just try straight away, no faffing. Obviously normal practice for every day would be this anyway. Just in case anyone does pop in, we need to make sure that all our brews are as intended and not coming out rubbish. So I'm looking for 22 to 28 seconds on here. If I get it, everything's done right. I have to piss about. Don't get it, I'll start messing them out over here. So we'll see. 22. Good. What's your view on playing darts on a Friday at Coffee Brothers? First half of the day done. What you saw there is really common here at CB's. Come out of the meeting and there's just 20 people here having a brew, playing darts, making absolute chaos. So you never quite know what you're gonna get. Everything, as you can see, is quieting down now. There's no one here. I'm all alone, which means it gives me time to do what I do after every new customer's been in, catch up, get all my emails done and work on any other projects. So that is the second half of the day for me, and then when Charlie's back from his delivery run, we'll touch base with him. See you soon.
Today we are fueled by Coffee Brothers. Louis and Brad down at Coffee Brothers. Shout out to the boys. Yeah, shout out to the boys. Shout out to the boys with a cold brewski. It's 45 degrees. Nitro coffee, oat flat white. Let me tell you. Couple of tinnies in a truck, man. Yeah. There's a whole new meaning to tinnies in a truck.
That's what it's all about.
Is that a shot? She's poorly.
Is she?
Yeah. So that's the delivery run complete. Quite a busy one today, and I've had to go over to Barnsley to collect a not so healthy grinder and replace it with a loan one for the time being whilst we get one of our engineers to sort it out. So yeah, busy one, busy week. It's been good though, had a lot of fun, and looking forward to doing it all again next week.